how to transfer one USDT from Bitget to Bitget wallet on PC. Now, first of all, open your Bitget wallet from your browser. As you can see now, go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Now, after that, select your token that you want to receive on your Bitget wallet. In this case, it will be USDT. Now, after that, what you need to do, click on receive to copy the withdrawal address of your token. Now, after that, go to your Bitget account and head over to wallet. Now, click on withdraw. And as you can see here, select coin. Now select the USDT that you want to transfer. Now after that, click on chain, and in the network select the BIP20 because you selected before on your Bitget wallet, and it will cost you 0 fee. After that, in the withdrawal address, you can paste the withdrawal address that you copied from the Bitget wallet. Now after that, click on next. Now here, as you can see, type the amount that you want to transfer. In this case, it will be 1 USDT. Now as you can see, the transaction fee, it's free, and you will be able to receive on your Bitget wallet 1 USDT. And after that, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive that 1 USDT on your Bitget wallet. So this is how to transfer 1 USDT from Bitget to Bitget wallet on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.